Welcome to Jeazie's Cribs again. We are in Minneapolis, Minnesota at Residence Inn. And I'm gonna show y'all a tour of our room, so let's go. Bam! All right, first we're gonna start over here. First you walk up in here, we got the kitchen, of course. That's always a good thing for us, so we can make our food and all that, And we got the fridge, the regular essentials, the fridge, stove, oven, all that thing. These are the cabinets, Got a toaster and stuff in here. Dishes, stuff that we need. Excuse the mess, we just got in here yesterday, so we didn't get a chance to do our tour, but we in here making it home. We got all our snacks and all that, the sink and everything. Dishwasher, everything that you need when you're on vacation. We're gonna take over here to the chill table. I call it the chill table because this is where we come sit and chill and just talk, chop it up and everything. I feel like it should have been another chair, but maybe it is 3 chairs. But yeah, this is a little chill spot. And I'm gonna bring you over here. We're in the front room now, guys. So got the TV, of course. We need the TV, you already know that. And then we come over here to the desk. I call this the work desk, but when we're on vacation, we are not working at all. So let that desk just sit there. And then this right here is the couch. Of course, we got it covered right now, but yeah, this is the little couch where we come and just chill and lounge. And then of course we got our lamp in the corner, Then we got another table over here that got the little charging stuff in here. So I just call this the charging station. That's what I call it. So yeah. All right, that's the front room. We're gonna take it to the first room. The first room is where my in-laws are staying at. So come on. All right, we're gonna go over here first. All right, come in here. They got their own bathroom. Like I said, excuse the mess. We just settled in last night, so just excuse it. Okay, this is the little bathroom right here, And then we come in here. We got the shower and the bathtub, and of course the toilet, because we all need the toilet. So we got all that. So this is just a bathroom. I'm gonna take over here to the room side. Nice old comfy room, Got the TV room. We got the nightstands, and everything is very comfy in here. Got the closet space. Got everything hung up. So yeah, this is their room right here. It's just a little chill room. I like it. Yep. This is the in-laws room. Now we're gonna take y'all to our room. Yeah, before we walk in here, excuse the mess, okay? All right, this is our room. Welcome to the master bedroom. It's kind of the same as the other room, but yeah, it's more light in here. Look at the view, great view. Look at the rocks. Look at the rocks. So yeah, this is our room over here. We got our TV, of course. Of course, it's Saturday, college football, so I gotta have that on. All right, we're gonna take you over here into the bathroom. Of course, we got our closet. Good closet space. We got our stuff hung up, so we be ready every day. Then we come over here. This is our little area where we get ready and all that. You see, we got everything just spread around. Then we're gonna take you up in here to the bathroom, which looks like the other bathroom. So yeah, this is the bathroom. Where take our showers, get fresh, and dump our kids off in the pool. You remember that saying? Dump your kids off in the pool. Yeah, so this is our room where we're at right now at the Residence Inn. It's pretty chill. Okay, I think that's it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. All right, y'all. This is the Residence Inn. This is where we're staying in Minneapolis, Minnesota. So if you ever want to come to Minnesota and visit in Minneapolis, just tap in with the Residence Inn. They got breakfast, but yeah, we'll talk about that on another day. But anyways, man, welcome to Jeazie's Cribs. You know what I'm saying? We in another city. We be coming to a city near you, and it's straight like that. We about to enjoy our day. Happy Saturday. Yeah.